right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and introduce Chapter 13, Section 2, which is Data Distributions and Outliers. I just want to talk to you about what does it mean, you can see on the screen, if it's skewed to the left, symmetric, skewed to the right. So in order to do that, I just want to use a sample set of data that I'm just going to make up in my head right here. So let me get a number line going. So if I had a number line, goes from maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I pick a few numbers, maybe I'll start with 3. Oh boy, try that again. 3. And then a couple numbers at 4. And maybe 3 numbers at 5. Can you see the 3 dots at 5? 1, 2, 3. I can do better. There's 3 dots. And then 2 numbers at 6. And then 1 number at 7. So that's symmetric because there's 1 on the left and 1 on the right, and then 2 left, 2 right, and then 3 in the middle. So what are my numbers? I have the number 3. I have 2 4s, 4 and 4. And then I have 3 5s, 5, 5, and 5. And then 2 6s and a 7. This is symmetric. So if I was to compute the mean, I would add all those up and divide by how many I have. How many numbers are there? Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you add them all up and divide by 9, and you're going to get, if you add them up, you get 45 divided by 9 is 5. This is called the average, which we use the letter sigma for. So the mean or the average is 5. Also, the median is the number in the middle. The number in the middle, you can see, is this 5 right here. So the median is 5. Now, what if I was going to change the data set by changing 2 of the 6s, these 2 6s right here. Let's make those into 10s. Okay. If that was the case, when you add them up, oh, that looks like a 0 on the end. There, now it's a 10. When you add those up, we now have a total of 53 divided by 9. And my new average would be 53 divided by 9. Maybe I'll use a calculator. Oh. 53 divided by 9 equals 5.9. So notice my average used to be right in the middle, 5. But now my new average got pulled over to 5.9 over here. So the average got pulled this way. And we call that skewed to the right. So when it's skewed, the average gets pulled towards where the extra points are. So let's take a look at these pictures here. Skewed to the left, notice it has these extra points on the left of the larger grouping. Symmetric is like a perfect pyramid or a bell-shaped curve. And skewed to the right has extra points on the right. And remember, the average gets pulled to the left, towards the left of the median when it's skewed to the left, and pulled towards the right of the median when it's skewed to the right. All right, that was an introduction of 5.2, or 13.2.